looking at here. This is Kiki boy got himself a bird. Yeah, but you can't eat the bird on the rug. Kiki, how are you going to eat the bird right on the rug? Did you just eat the head off the bird? Kiki. Kiki, you're eating the bird with the feathers. I don't believe what I'm seeing. Nobody's going to believe it, Kiki. See some bird guts. Kiki. Kiki boy. I've never seen anything like you, Kiki. Ever. Oh, you can eat the feathers now? Oh, you are the worst. The worst monster. Kiki boy. Kiki, there's nothing left, Kiki. You ate the whole bird on the rug. You ate the whole bird. The whole friggin' bird in 10 seconds. In under 2 minutes. Wow. Incredible, Kiki. Best thing you've ever had in your whole life. Yeah. You like it, creep.